Dear students, this is Amrita Vimala. God is the supreme of this universe. Whosoever comes to God through whatsoever form, God will reach him. Science has said to have proved that the sum total of cosmic energy is always the same. Then, if there was a time when nothing existed, where was all this manifested energy? Universe is potential form in God. God's love is infinity. Infinity means endless love. God is there in everybody and everywhere. If you realize that God is within me, then you will achieve your goal and inner peace. Talking to God is prayer. Talk to God in your heart. He will bless you. With God, everything is possible. If you didn't receive what you like, then please understand, God is going to bless an extraordinary, marvelous things. This understanding is faith in God. My master hugging saint, Mata Amrita, my mother, will say, God is within us, but we are not aware of it. God dwell or presence in heaven and in all beings. He is within us too. However, we are misusing that divine consciousness so many ways. Example, if we are a 0-watt bulb right now, through prayers we can become a 10,000-watt bulb. If an ordinary person can love and serve 2 people, means we can love and serve 10 million people. Our strength will not end in any way. Therefore, we should channel our strength upward and dive deep within our own self. That is, pray to God very deeply in your heart. We no need to give God anything. We should love, serve, compassion for the people. That is our duty. In this world, trust only God. We no need to give God anything. We should love, serve, compassion. Dear student, please subscribe, share and click bell icon to receive all my videos. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.